Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla.
Alright my people, Skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and every one. Just some things I want to talk to you about, viewers and subscribers, alright? Alright, now, the first thing I want to talk to you about is about more than one videos that I saw on social media that shows a situation that I call bad living amongst neighbors. See? So my understanding from those videos that I saw is that someone did his or her laundry and put a certain amount of the laundry on a wall or a fence between two houses. Now those things that whosoever put on the wall or the fence between two houses would look like some form of blanket or some things that persons might call warmer or something like that. You see me I say? See? But anyways, a man who lived next door to whosoever did the laundry saw those things on the fence or the wall and pushed them off the fence or the wall and made them drop on the ground in his neighbor's yard. So my understanding is like, he did not want those things on the wall or the fence, no viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? So I said to myself, why would somebody do something like that? Eh? If you have a problem with something that your neighbor do, talk to the neighbor, no? Nobody go on like you deal with bullyism and certain anger and them ways there. You see me? And if the neighbor keep doing whatever you don't like, you deal with things the legal way. You understand me? But anyways, listen to me viewers and subscribers, because I don't think you hear the worst part of this whole situation yet. You see? So, in my point of view, it seems as if whosoever did the laundry put the same pieces of laundry back on the same fence or wall between those two houses. And the same man who pushed those laundry from off the wall or the fence took those laundry from off the wall or the fence, carried them to somewhere else, throw them on the ground in mud, and stepped on at least one of those pieces of laundry more than once. One of those videos that I saw shows when the man pushed, slide, and or wiped at least one of his feet on at least one of those pieces of laundry. Me people, me say when me see that piece of video, me just look at it. So me I say to myself, say, no man, I think me say the thing make me feel like, oh yeah. Me people, me ask you a question. If you wash your clothes and hang your clothes on the fence between you and your neighbor take those clothes from off the fence, drop them on the ground in mud and step on them, what would you do? What would you do? Now, my best advice is to call the police. That's my best advice. See? Yeah, man. That's my best advice, man. That's just the best advice. You understand? No, but for real still, my people, them little things that are pettiness in my point of view. If my neighbor hang sheet, towel, carpet or anything on the fence, I try to dry his or her clothes, viewers and subscribers. Come on, man. I mean, me not see nothing wrong with that. My people, let me know what I think about a situation like that, because those pieces of videos that I saw, I didn't hear any audio in them. So that's why I talk about those videos, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, me that present those videos to you if those videos did have any audios. You understand? And here's one of those pieces of videos that I'm talking about. The whole situation just look weird to me. You see me I say? I'm in like those kind of living. No, sir. Anyways, next topic. Now, I am going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I do not know when the video will be recorded. The video shows two persons who had been accused of stealing cable and they had been arrested by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The video shows those two persons who had been accused of stealing cable with one of each of their hands handcuffed together while they are being placed in a police vehicle. All right. So let me know what you think about this situation, viewers and subscribers. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look.
Yeah. What's them? Well, they are no shame, boy. They are no shame. Well, go inside. You're good nothing. I just make sure I don't want to think the officers and them.
You can hear somebody in the background say certain things.
You have to take the cable and throw it on top of them now.
Oh, the cable
evidence here.
I cable that.
Just the other thing in there.
I tell them people.
From there to go up so.
Be sitting all over the world. I tell you, all over the world, I be sitting going. I say I be things are going all over the world, my people. Yeah, I tell them, my people. Trust me. There's not much me can say about that situation. You understand? Big up to my people and within Trinidad and Tobago, alright? Next topic. I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the news article said that a man went to a church within the parish of St. Elizabeth, that's within the country of Jamaica, on the 1st of May, the year 2022, stayed at the church for a certain amount of time, and even asked for prayer, and then returned to the church on Monday, the 2nd of May, the year 2022, and robbed the church. The news article said that sometime after 12 p.m. on the 2nd of May, the year 2022, the man went to the church and pulled a gun on the administrative secretary for the church shortly after begging and receiving food from the administrative secretary for the church. The news article said that after the man was fed or after he ate, he pushed the administrative secretary in a corner and she tried to run, but he grabbed her purse that contains a certain amount of cash. The news article also said that the man also took petty cash that was in the office. I assume that's an office that's at the church. You understand, the viewers and subscribers? See? And, you know, another part of the news article said that a man who is said to be Reverend Dr. Jacob Powell said that the man wore no mask, and it seems as if the man was unbothered about being recognized. See it? Other parts of the news article, or at least one part of the news article, gave me the understanding that the man is a person who is known within the area where the church is located at viewers and subscribers. See it? The news article said that the name of the church is Sharon Baptist Church, which was established in July 1872. See it? Now, another part of the news article said that Reverend Dr. Powell said that the fact that the man asked for prayer after church ended on Sunday, that would be the 1st of May, the year 2022, paying keen attention to where the offering collected was being placed. See, so in my point of view, it's like the man got the church and I map out the place. That's what some Jamaicans might say. Yeah, it's like, in my point of view, the man go to the church and scout out what's going on. That's according to some things that I read in the news articles. So I also got the understanding that the news article said that the Reverend or Dr. Powell don't really believe that the man wanted any prayer. You hear me? Now another part of the same news article said that a policeman who was at the church on the Sunday when the man was at the church, was able to describe the man. See? The news article said that the church is in close proximity to the Santa Cruz police station. Another part of the news article said that before the man robbed the place, he told the administrative person that his stepmother put him out of their house. And it is said that the man made off with an undisclosed sum of money. You see? The people are them things I talk about, you know. You see me I say, you're sorry for somebody and then the person turn around and rob you. You see your life set. You see what go on out there. Anyways, my people, I have left it. Big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what you think about the things that I talked about in this video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself, you see?